So, brace yourselves. Google has just dropped the final and most exciting piece of the Pixel 10 lineup. This isn't just another foldable. This is the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, and it's packing serious flagship heat. After showcasing the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, and the massive Pixel 10 Pro XL earlier this week, Google's foldable beast has finally entered the spotlight. And no, this one isn't playing it safe. This time around, Google's throwing out the tired old obsidian and porcelain and dialing up the style with jade and moonstone, two bold new colors that instantly set this foldable apart. Moonstone brings a clean, cool slate blue vibe, accented by a lighter metallic frame that catches the eye. Sure, it might attract some fingerprints thanks to that glossy trim, but it looks seriously premium. Meanwhile, jade delivers a soft pistachio green paired with a muted gold frame, a design that channels the best of lemongrass and hazel from the Pixel 7 days. It's fresh, refined, and a total departure from the usual foldable palette. But don't be fooled, this isn't just a pretty shell. Google's made some clever upgrades beneath the surface too. The cover display has been bumped up slightly to 6.4 inches, just a 0.1-inch increase over last year. But thanks to tighter bezels and a cleaner hinge design, it feels more immersive and compact in the hand. It's a subtle shift, but it makes daily use smoother and more polished. Under the hood, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is powered by Google's NextGen Tensor G5 chip, manufactured by TSMC on their cutting-edge 3nm N3E process. Expect snappier performance, better heat management, and more efficient AI features throughout exactly what Google's been promising with its in-house silicon. This foldable packs a 5015 mAh cell, the largest ever in a foldable sold in North America. That's an 8% boost over last year's model, and when paired with the new chip, it could finally mean a foldable that lasts. Charging also gets a minor upgrade, 23 watts wired and 15 watts wireless with full Qi 2 support. It's not a huge leap, but it's enough to matter in everyday use, especially for foldable users who usually compromise on power. What do you guys think about the Pixel 10 Pro Fold? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.